The PUMA VTR1216 series is a large-capacity ram-type vertical turning center equipped with a wide column, a 1,250mm diameter table, and a ram tool index system designed to enhance productivity. With its powerful cutting ability, the PUMA VTR1216 series provides a larger cutting area using a single wide column, dramatically raises productivity with its ram tool index system, and satisfies customer needs. The single wide column design increases the axis travel distances, 700mm to the left and 1,130mm to the right of center line on the x-axis, and 1,200mm on the z-axis. It provides a cutting capacity of 1,700mm in diameter and 1,250mm in height, and boasts a maximum load capacity of 8 tons. The PUMA VTR1216 series delivers more powerful and accurate cutting capability thanks to its stable structure and highly rigid materials. Extra length of 200mm from the ram face is provided for tool extension, enabling the use of various tools and providing efficient machining solutions. By adopting a curved coupling with 8 tons of tool clamping force, the machine guarantees stable tool clamping during heavy-duty cutting. Up to 4 tools can be mounted in the quad holder for automatic selection, thereby reducing the tool change time and improving productivity. The PUMA VTR1216 series is the world's first dual-axis machine to feature the ram tool indexing system, which delivers 4 times greater tooling efficiency with 90 degrees indexing. The highly durable, rigid ram design enables heavy-duty cutting and high machine rigidity, even with maximum ram extension. The all-in-one design bed secured with left-right sloping surface and chip removal channels has been complemented with dual chip conveyors for the smooth disposal of large quantities of chips. Quad tool holders can be installed in the standard 12-tool magazine, maximizing the total number of tools available. The operation screen provides an ergonomically designed layout for W-axis setting, tool setting, etc. With its heavy-duty cutting and large workpiece machining capabilities, the PUMA VTR1216 series guarantees mutual productivity growth with our customers.